Today I'm going to show you how I like to use my Botanical Elixir number 2. There are lots of different ways you can use our oils. I like to use them, at least today anyway, as a pre-treatment to my shampoo. So I'm putting in about 5 or 6 drops. I'm going to massage in with my fingers. And you can also take a boar bristle brush and brush it through. This will distribute the oils through the roots, midshaft, and ends and help stimulate blood flow. After about 15 to 20 minutes, I'll hop in the shower and shampoo. Depending on how it feels, I may condition afterwards, or I may not. I may just shampoo. But thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.